Bitcoin and the crazy story of the string theory. What's going on in the market? You know, maybe Bitcoin is going to reach $100,000 due to this crazy idea. Maybe in 2 months, you want to know everything about that and the last information in the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for Crypto News, fun on the right, crypto at top. Today, we're still so happy because Bitcoin is going up. We broke the $29,000 line, so we have this smiley face. And be careful because Trader Cost is telling us that if we are breaking the opening price for 2021 in Bitcoin, we might go to $35,000. That would be so cool. We sign for that, and you can see here in TradingView, you have the link in the description. If you want to do things like this, you help the channel indirectly. Thank you very much. Well, you can see that this line has been resistance or support in the past, and that's very important for price prediction. So maybe we are going to go crazy high now, or maybe we have the top now and we'll find these two lines as support in the $23,000 or $20,000 for Bitcoin. If you want more about price prediction, just go to the last video. Maybe we are starting the bull run already. If so, we need to close in green this candle. This is the monthly candle for Bitcoin, and I believe that we have to fall a lot to have this today in the red. So maybe we're going to end with these 3 green candles in a row that we talked yesterday, maybe the beginning of the bull market. But today's theory is the craziest thin string theory for Bitcoin. What's that? Well, you know, and if you don't know that, we have the halving in Bitcoin. This is the cut into half for the miners' rewards, and that creates not just less and less Bitcoin flowing into the market, but also a vibration like a string, like a rope being pulled. So, according to this crazy theory, we're going to have the natural frequency that would be that 4-year period for Bitcoin, those 4-year cycles coinciding with the halving, and there you have 2 harmonics inside of it. The first harmonic and the second. We've had that in the past, and you can see that for a whole cycle of this string theory, we'll have the balloon pop first, then the harmonic up, the harmonic down, and then the main rally. So maybe we are going to repeat this. If so, we are right now in the harmonic up that in the past was 270% up. That would be crazy, and that puts Bitcoin around May the 23rd into the $41,000. And when this cycle ends, Bitcoin will be in around the $100,000, which is also maybe is that a crazy story, a crazy idea, or maybe we are following this mathematical path, this music path for Bitcoin too. What do you think? You believe in this theory? You believe this is a crazy idea? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Anyways, you can see here the story of Bitcoin, and you see how it behaves in a logarithmic scale, the full story for Bitcoin. You can see that we've been going up and up all the time. And when we go down from the daily moving average of 200, or if we see it in the weekly time frame, you can see that it's so important to be on top of it. Because when we are down, well, that's the bear market, but then we go above this line again, and we have one more time another cycle, and again, if you go down, you have the bear market, and again, you go up and you have the bull market. So this is so beautiful to watch. This is the story of Bitcoin, and you can see in the long time, in the long period, that Bitcoin just goes up and up and up. But of course, it's not a rocket just going straight up, but it's like how a pigeon flies. It goes up and down as it launches. So we'll see now that we are fighting precisely with this line. We'll see if we are able of being above it or not. And if so, if we are starting right now the next bull cycle. We have to bounce here in the line for good and go up as Bitcoin gets to the next crazy rally. Here you can see all the transactions. Remember this website called fiatleak.com. You can find all these interesting tools in our website, FunOntheRide.com. Go there, do not miss those out. You will learn a lot. And how is that? Bitcoin is going up. It was assured by the CFTC, not Bitcoin, but Binance, the most important exchange in volume in the world. And it seems that Bitcoin doesn't care. The market's still a little bit in the green for Bitcoin, maybe in something like a correction right now. The bubbles are happy, but some of them are in the red now. And you can see here the most important ones. If we ask for the best ones, you can see Arbitrum going up 10%, and in the worst ones we have Fleur. We talked about that in the last video. Arbitrum, remember to claim your airdrop and be careful with scams. Now people telling us that maybe we are following what other coins follow in the past, which is the price action related with the use of the token in the futures in Binance. So if that's the situation, a lot of times it goes down when it's listed and then it goes up 50% in some days. So if that's the situation, we'll be in maybe a week or so in the 1.7 range for Arbitrum. So interesting, and be careful, as I'm telling you, for all those scams there. They're telling you that there are other airdrops, but those are fake. So just go to official sites and even pay attention to those. Maybe those are corrupted and the hackers are trying to trick you. So go there, claim your airdrop, and if not, well, maybe you can make your money with XRP. How's that? Well, open interest is going higher, $800 million. So everybody in the crypto community believes that XRP is going to win maybe that trial with the SEC. It's or not unregistered securities. Anyways, as the community is confident they are going to win, well, the price of the token went up 40%. Maybe it's going to go higher, another 66%. That's the opinion of some experts. I have no clue. But I can watch the chart and you can see that we just broke a line so important for XRP, as it was resistance here and it was support so many times in the past. So we'll see if this is the beginning of a crazy rally for XRP. Here again in fiatleak.com, you can see all the transactions. So XRP is being used right now, moving from a lot of exchanges. The market is greedy. We are in the 60 today, and we have some concerns, some fears, of course. Gary Gensler is asking for $2.4 billion in order to have the muscle to go and sue everybody. Now probably jealous for the CFTC, as they are the main character in the suit to Binance. So we'll see about that. And so interesting, people in the community like Rager telling us, Mr. Gensler, tell us again how all crypto assets are dangerous and how highly regulated banks and assets are safe. And you can see the picture here of SVB and how it went down for good. And I don't understand either how it's possible that Silvergate Bank steals in the stock market. You can see it there. Well, we learned today that you need to match some criteria to be out of the stock market, not just being a fiasco. So they still on the stock market because they weren't liquidated involuntarily. So they still there, they still operated. But you can see it's crazy that this stock ticket is going higher right now. So crazy, crazy fiat war right now. Remember past video concerns about some countries not using dollar anymore. Bye dollar. Now, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations considering dropping the US dollar, euro, yen, and British pound for local currency financial settlements. So right now, everybody trying to choose the right currency. Maybe that one is Bitcoin for everybody. I believe so. And here you can see China and France that are agreeing trading in yuan already for the first time with this energy. So again, de-dollarization of the world, and we'll see how that will end. We finally found some videos about the fiat system summarizing all the lies we have about it. And now Carl Menger telling us here that Bitcoin fixes this. It seems to be sound economic monetary policy, but you can see that it's just fake tanks and fake weapons. So again, my Bitcoin can stay in cold storage longer than your banks can stay solvent. Everything is falling apart in the fiat system, but if you have your cold wallet, then maybe you will survive. We, of course, use Ledger Nano S Plus X or Stacks. You have a lot of videos about that in Crypto Safety, FunOntheRide.com. So go there and help us indirectly. Thank you very much for choosing one of those. And remember, we talk about very bad things in United States. Now the housing affordability, not just the price, but the affordability is now worse than it was during the early stages of 2008 housing bubble. So bad if people aren't able of buying houses. Also United States losing terrain with blockchain experts, everybody flying out of the country because of their regulations. And dollar going down. We'll see if this line is support or not. It's good. Bitcoin going up because dollar goes down. That's something that we like. And we don't like that Europe is getting also worse and worse in terms of regulation. Right now, they have a new proposal bill to have a limit of 1,000 euros for anonymous crypto transfer, the ones that are not related with know your customer with an identity, etc., etc. We'll see about that. It's going to be passed or not April the 18th. So interesting bill that we will follow here in CryptoNews Fun on the Ride. The stock market is going up in United States, also in Asia, and gold is going up. Everything but US dollar is going up. And in our personal crypto fiascos, Binance is still there. So this line is holding still. We'll see in the next days. I am not concerned because Jim Cramer is saying bad things about Binance. So remember, Jim Cramer is the official counter indicator. So we are cool. We are okay. Now Binance saying they don't have links with China, that they stopped as the Chinese government asked them to in the past. What do you think about that? Do you trust somebody, anybody in the market? Is, as he said, having fun in Paris with Little Bubble? Remember Little Bubble? We have to talk again about him because this is the guy you want when we are in a bull market. And he's telling us with this song, Backstreet Boys Bitcoin parody, that Bitcoin's back. Thank you, Mark, for sharing this with us.
Bitcoin's back,
Bitcoin's back. All right, already. Yes, we are ready for that. And the SEC, as I'm telling you, jealous of other regulators now closing the crypto exchange BTC. So if you knew about this one, I didn't. Well, you have to be concerned because it's been closed. And also about other fiascos, remember, do you know, from Terra Luna, now United States and South Korea asking for extradition. We'll see about that story too. And remember yesterday we talked about Paris and how Burger King is accepting their crypto and Bitcoin. Well, now they are promoting Dogecoin too, which is awesome. Thank you, Burger King, even though I don't like that kind of fast food. But here we have the chart for Dogecoin that might be affected by this kind of news. Not right now, but we'll see if Elon Musk says something about this. Ethereum going higher, so that's good. Remember, we are just 13 days away for that Shanghai upgrade. So good news for that. In the DeFi ecosystem in NFTs, we are going higher between $50 and $40 billion. This is awesome. And thank you very much to our friends over there, Reality. They retweeted our tweet talking about them. They are in Milan. They are in the Fashion Week with the Centraland, and we have there a lot of really interesting information. For example, they created this very dress, a famous one right now, with a talented artist, Vivian Tam. And now it's a real thing, but also it's an NFT that you can even wear on the Centraland. So now we can see that, like with the board apps, you have some of the NFTs for luxury items and fashion exclusive items, and probably this is the beginning for NFTs in the world right now. In the future, it will be for everybody, for the masses. And thank you very much also for CL Crypto. They retweeted our tweet too, so thank you very much. Remember, in Spain we have our tax report. Don't wait till June, it will be too late then. So if you need help, go to CL Crypto. They will help you on how to do everything. You can go to their YouTube channel, CL Crypto, on YouTube. They have a lot of very important videos about regulations in Spain and other countries. And if you need a tracker, if you need to comply with the Spanish government in tax regulations, well, we are using coin tracking. Remember, you have a lot of courses, free courses and information in our website, and you have a link in the description here where you'll get a 10% discount if you need that. You will probably need a payment version of the platform because probably you have a lot of transactions and you will be at least needing the less expensive version. And what about other partner? We have OKX right now sharing this picture of their car in the F1 races. So let's see if they're able of winning. Thank you very much to our sponsor. You have a link in the description. Register there and get some advantages because they are promoting our channel. And also remember that they are expanding all the time right now, expanding on Australia, as we told you on Twitter. Thank you to everybody following us on Twitter and sharing things with us, like Trade Analysis telling us that they loved this video we did about the Bitcoin money, the tale for kids. So if you want your kid to know about Bitcoin, just watch the video we have about this book, which is so cool for sure. And talking about kids, what about this one? Don't be scared. Again, Rodri, please. It was too funny. So be careful with the market, and remember that if you open some doors, you might open the wrong one, as this cat did, and he's so scared right now. So we'll see. For the crypto world, we have something in our neck. We have something that smells fishy, like this cat. Be careful with everything. Be careful with the scams. Maybe you need to learn some crypto kung fu in order to survive this market, as this cat did. Or maybe you need to learn how to climb in this ladder we have as a camel. That's in the desert. Did you know? This is the way they do this. This is how Bitcoin price goes higher in the market. And after we go there, remember that we go down, not in a ladder, but in an elevator like this cat. Woo! To the poop! And price goes down for good. So exhausted about everything, the world is too crazy for you, then maybe you are in this lazy mood, which is awesome. Let's go, let's enjoy the day, let's enjoy everything, love, go outside, enjoy nature, etc., etc. We have no more time today. If you want to learn Spanish, we have this very same video in our primary channel, FunOntheRide. Find us on YouTube. If you want more in English, just wait for next Crypto News, FunOntheRide here. Health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come in crypto a tope.